How can I avoid being overcharged for workers' compensation? With inflation and prices on the rise, we understand that business owners will want to save money and make sure they are not overcharged for their workers' compensation insurance. These following tips are the best ways to ensure you won't have to overpay for your coverage. Number 1, prevent injuries. The most effective way to reduce workers' compensation costs is to prevent injuries in the first place. You can do this by implementing a safety plan, including risk identification and management, as well as ongoing safety training for all employees. Number 2, manage injuries after they happen. Since lengthy claims can raise the cost of your workers' comp insurance, have a set plan in place to return injured employees to work as soon as possible.
The Bikini Bottom OWS Worker Safety Guidelines.
This can include a light duty policy, which allows employees to return to work without having to do any strenuous duties that could aggravate their injuries. Number 3, know included versus excluded remuneration. Knowing what is and is not considered payroll or remuneration in terms of workers' compensation can help you make sure you don't overpay for your policy. Some included forms of payroll include wages, salaries, bonuses, PTO, sick pay. A few forms of excluded payroll include tips or gratuities, payment for active military duty, employee discounts on goods, work uniform allowances. Number 4, make sure your experience modification factor is correct. Your experience modification rating is a metric used to calculate a company's workers' compensation premium based on the number of claims and the claim costs over a 3-year period. Essentially, it portrays the risk of insuring or working with your company when compared to your competitors, sort of like a credit score but for workers' comp. Making sure this number is accurate can help ensure you don't overpay on your policy. Number 5, separate payroll when allowed. Employees that do multiple tasks as part of their job description will normally have workers' comp charge their entire payroll to the highest rated class code. But in some industries, like construction and agriculture, if the employer keeps detailed records of pay assigned to the different tasks the employee performs, they can separate that out. So if your employee's work isn't all assigned under the higher class code, it could save you some money on your policy.